Hey guys, it's Elias. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your RAM in an Acer Aspire desktop. What you'll need is a 184-pin DIMM DDR2 RAM. On my specific Acer desktop, my slot maximum is 1 gig of RAM. And most Aspires will be PC2 4200. Don't ask me what that means, it's just 3 specs you need to know about your RAM. What you'll need is a screwdriver, scissors, and your RAM, and your computer. What you do first is you go and touch a piece of metal like this brass doorknob. Then you take your desktop and turn it over on its side. Take your screwdriver and begin unscrewing the screws in the back. Somebody interrupted my video earlier, so I already have 1 screw done. Make sure you keep your screws in a safe place because they're very hard to keep track of once you have like more than 5 unscrewed. Lucky for me, there's only 2. So I just have to keep them right there. You're done with your screwdriver until the very last step. Now you very carefully remove the back of your, the back, side, top, bottom, front, whichever one keeps you from getting to this side of your computer. You take it off somehow. And the inside of your computer should look a little something like this. Now what you're going to do is take your RAM and remove it from its packaging. Ta-da! I'm going to touch a piece of metal again, just for measure. Now I'm going to physically insert the RAM into the computer. Very carefully remove the RAM stick from its plastic casing. Ta-da! Lucky for me, there's a bunch of wires in the way. Because that one was so hard to do, I'm only going to show you one. I'm sorry. It should slide right in. You may have to use some force to pop it in. Make sure it's secure, and the white latches close all the way into the notches on the side of the RAM stick. And there you have it. I have upgraded my RAM in my Acer computer. Now what's left to do is to replace your cover. Mine never wants to go back on. Ta-da! Yay!